Welcome to Caribou English. Today we're going to be learning some business phrases, including 5 ways to say goodbye and also 5 collocations. So, a collocation is where you have 2 words, and when you put them together, it creates a new meaning. So, we're going to start with that 5 business English collocations. The first phrase is annual turnover. So annual means a year. It's talking about 1 year. And turnover is when something changes. So annual turnover, it means like how much income your business makes over one financial year. So an example sentence for that is our annual turnover was down 25% last year. You can also use this to describe a change in the staff of an organization. If your business hires a bunch of new people every year, you could say they have a high turnover rate, meaning the employees come and they go. There's a lot of turnover. But annual turnover is going to be talking about the amount of income your business makes over one financial year. Next one is the past few weeks. Past few weeks. So that's pretty simple, but people wonder like how much time does that really mean? It usually means 2 to 3 weeks before now, before the present. So you can see this. You've been late several times these past few weeks. Number 3 is big break. Big break. Usually, a break means a time when you don't have to work. You can go take a rest or you can have a lunch break. But in this case, a big break means an opportunity, a great opportunity for success. That's a big break. The presentation next week may well be my big break. May well be, it means maybe. Maybe it will be. May well be, it's better to say that. May well be my big break. Number 4 is deep trouble. This one, you don't want to be in deep trouble. It just means serious problems, okay? You could say, the manager wants to talk to me next week. I'm in deep trouble. So that's not good. And number 5, gray area. I spell gray with an E. Some people spell it with an A. Both are correct. But I like the E. I think it's better. So gray area means something is unclear or uncertain. Okay? The example sentence, we're trying to find a gray area in the tax code to save money. Gray area. So those are the 5 collocations for today's lesson. Annual turnover, past few weeks, big break, deep trouble, gray area. Try to remember those words and use them in your business environment. Now we're going to learn 5 ways to say goodbye in English or in the office. When you think about it, at work, you say goodbye to people every day. So you don't want to just say goodbye, 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 goodbye. Sometimes you can say something a little bit different, okay? So the first one is take it easy. So for each one, I'll show you an example sentence. And remember, they all mean goodbye. It's all basically the same meaning. So it's 5 o'clock. Take it easy, everyone. Take it easy, everyone. It's 5 o'clock. Number 2, I've got to get going. I've got to get going. It also means goodbye. This has been a great meeting, but I've got to get going. It's a way to get out. If you want to get out of the meeting in a polite way, just say, I've got to get going. Number 3 is I'm off. I'm off. I'm off work. But you can just say I'm off. So you could say, well, I'm off. I'll see you tomorrow. I'm off. It just means goodbye. Number 4 means take care. Take care. So here, take care, Linda. It's a person's name. I hope you have a good evening. Goodbye, Linda. Take care, Linda. You can say either one. Take care is good. It means that you care about the person or you're pretending to care. And number 5 is catch you later. I'll catch you later. So catch you later, it just means like goodbye. I'll see you later. Catch you later. So you can say, all right, I'll catch you later, Bruce. So those are the 5 ways to say goodbye. Take it easy. I've got to get going. I'm off. Take care. And catch you later. And we also did those 5 business collocations, which are 2 words together. Annual turnover, past few weeks, big break, deep trouble, and gray area. So I hope you learned something in this video. We had 10 business phrases that you can use. Try to copy the example sentences and use it in your own job. Maybe it will lead to your next big break.